Hey, what's up guys, it's Yash here, it's December, so here are the best Android apps for the month. And this will be the final one for 2017. As usual, links of all the apps mentioned in the video will be in the description down below. Now with that said, let's get started. So first up is Mindly, and with this app you can save all of your schedules and reminders all in just one app. Inside the app you can create a network of reminders which can be interrelated to the other. To create a reminder element, just click on the plus icon and just save the title and the note, then click on the save button on the top right corner. Then it will create a main bubble reminder and plus icons around it. If you want to create another reminder, just click on the plus icon and do as before. You can save another reminder to it as well. And you can also use images instead of text and change the color of the bubble and add icons to the reminder suitable for it. A pretty good app, well worth to check out. Next up is Terrarium TV, and it's one of the best streaming app I have used in Android. When opening up the app, it will show you a list of all the latest TV shows that you can watch through this app. And not just TV shows, you can also watch movies as well. To do that, just click on the top left corner and select the Movies tab. You can watch movies of specific categories like action, horror, sci-fi, and even YouTube Red videos, which I haven't seen in any other streaming app. To watch a movie or TV show, just click on it and it will show you a list of all the servers from where you can stream or download it. Then choose what you want and done. It's that simple. So if you're someone who likes to watch a lot of TV shows and movies, then this app is meant for you. Then we have GrammarPal, and this app helps you to correct up your grammar and spellings. After enabling up the app, whenever you type something, it will create a bubble which when clicked will see for any errors in the text you typed. To correct up the text, just click on the highlighted text and it will show you all the possible corrections that you could find throughout the dictionary. You can customize the app as well by changing the bubble size, change the highlighted text styles, and many more. And you can also choose the language that you want GrammarPal to correct. There are a lot of languages present and new languages are added quite oftenly. Next is Curiosity, and through this app you can read informative articles and videos. The articles and videos updates on a daily basis and they are divided into categories like science, products, business, and many more. To read more about an article, just click on it and it will open up the source web page, and if you want, you can also share the articles as well. And when I said earlier about different categories, I mean there are articles and videos of all the subjects there is. From chili peppers to brain, to black hole, to business, to cameras, to candy, to chemical elements, and every other subject there is in the world. In the end, it's a pretty good all-in-one informative app. Coming up is Terribly Tiny Tales. In this app you can read stories, poems, rants, and more, which are just a couple of sentences or a bit more. The stories are posted by people around the world and they get updated quite oftenly. You can also read chat-based stories in it, and you can also bookmark and share the stories as well. All the stories and poems are very well written, and it's a pretty good app to pass around the small amount of time, like when you're in a cab or a train. Then we have Magnify, and by the name you might have guessed it what this app does. Basically, it just magnifies the image on your screen of the camera. And you might think that you can do this with your normal camera app as well, but I must say the quality of the image is better through the Magnify app. And it has a couple of features that are quite useful, like the invert color feature, which will invert all the colors on your screen, which helps quite a lot in darker situations. And the pause feature, which when pressed will freeze the frame on your screen and you can save that image frame to your device as well. Well, there is not much to this app, but it comes really handy. Next is Fast Finder, and through this app you can find anything that is present in your device. You just have to type the name of the file and it will list all the files in your phone with that word in it. And you can also use extensions of the files like APK, JPEG, PDF, and many more. You can change the color of the search bar and the text style to customize it a bit to your liking. This app comes really useful when you have to find a file but you don't know its location. After that is Send Any File. And nowadays people send a lot of images and video through their messenger apps like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. But they don't support all of the formats there are. And with Send Any File you can exactly do that. Just select Send Any File while sending something via the Messenger app and it will open another file manager. Then just select the file and it will be sent normally. It supports all the format like HTML, zip, APK, PDF, and many more. A pretty decent app, well worth to check out. In the second last is Touch Bar, and with this app you can get the Touch Bar feature which is found on the new MacBook Pros. It's not exact the same, like it does not give you the shortcuts according to which app is opened, but you can assign general shortcuts to it like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and others. And there are also a widget dock where you can assign a widget to it as well. You can customize the touch bar as per your liking by rearranging the docks, setting up the shortcuts, and changing the colors of the entire touch bar. So it's a pretty decent app if you want to have something like the touch bar on your Android device. Then in the last is Control Center. And this app allows you to get the control center of the iOS 11 on your Android device. After setting up the app, when you will swipe up from the bottom, it will bring up the control center. It looks exactly the same, but the only downside of it is that you can't add more tabs to it like in iOS. But besides that, you can customize it completely by changing the colors, the background, the position, and much more. So if you're someone who's coming from iOS or just want to try it out, this is the closest thing that you can get on Android. Now with that wraps it up for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and also consider subscribing for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.